Told niggas you don't like me, shoot me. And if you don't wanna fight me, sue me. Guarantee niggas won't like the new me. This feel like a Spike Lee movie. Room full of hoes and I might get choosy. Please excuse me. All of my moves are carefully planned. Don't play with me, I'm a family man. I put your bitch on my family plan. My mansion looking like fantasy land. I bought a beach with some Canada sand. All of my moves are carefully planned. I'm 2 steps ahead like Nigerian scams. Now hand me the bands. You in the crib and I'm here with the fans. My bitch got titties like Pamela Ann, and she wanna fuck in the janitor's van. I'm about to turn to a psycho. You about to see my true colors like Michael. I'm about to pick niggas up with a rifle. I never lit niggas up, but I might though. I'm a cool nigga, but I can get spiteful. I'm about to fuck this shit up like a typo. You do not know me, no, we ain't related, and we ain't got mutual friends that I might know. I don't wanna be acquainted regardless. Every bitch I ever been with told me I'm heartless. I don't trust a single motherfucker from cautious. I can never win, they want me up in the coffin. Way before I started winning, had a couple of losses. Had to make a living on my mother's apartment. Wasn't too much opportunity to come up in Boston. I was fucking exhausted, I was done with the talking. I was breaking odd jobs, I mean stuck in the office. Oh God, I was outside running and walking non-stop on a dark block, ducking and dodging. All cops said they all stop bucking and sparking. All Glocks till my heart stops working at 10 breaths. I bench press any fuck nigga relentless. I've been dead.
Alright guys, here we have Mitch's RS3. This car was wrapped back in 2017. It was the first car we ever actually wrapped, and he's after a color change again. So we've just removed the whole Avery wrap we did back then and removed all the leftover adhesive off the car. As you can see, the car's paint has been protected and the car still looks brand new like it did when it came out of the factory and came over to us. We're gonna wrap this car in a few weeks, so stay tuned and we'll see you soon.
Boston bitch, she bougie. Look, you goofy. Told niggas you don't like me, shoot me. And if you don't wanna fight me, sue me. Guarantee niggas won't like the new me. This feel like a Spike Lee movie. What's Gucci?